Did you know you can create interactive forms and surveys in Visme that are not only functional but also eye-catching and effective in driving high submission rates? With Visme's forms, you can enhance the way you collect data with engaging design, consistent branding, real-time analytics, and unique 3D characters and gestures to add personality and boost interaction, all in one platform. From surveys to lead captures and event registrations, Visme forms are incredibly versatile. They can be included within a Visme project, embedded into a website, or shared directly as a URL. Visme's forms offer unique visual capabilities. You can add custom characters, being able to adapt their facial features and clothing, and choose from a variety of animated poses. You can also choose from a collection of hand gestures to grab your audience's attention. And if 3D graphics aren't your thing, you can always keep things simple and create a form that stands out from the crowd. Experiment with all these tailored options for your forms to see what connects best with your audience. The best part about Visme's forms is every response is tracked and saved right in Visme. You can also send data gathered through your forms to a variety of applications integrated under the Connect area. It's your one-stop shop for impressive and effective forms. Give it a try and see how Visme's forms can elevate your design and capture valuable information.